Hi viewers, welcome to Rasavinsuvai. Today I am going to make Adamanga Kootan. Adamanga Kootan is a dry mango curry. Here I have taken 2-3 Adamanga here. This is the mangoes dried in the sun and stored it. That video I will give the link in the description box how to store it. And a small lime size tamarind I have taken. Actually I used to separately soak this. Today I have put it together and soaked it in hot water. Now we have to remove the pulp of this, and these pieces you can cut and take it. For the masala, I have taken 1 tablespoon of chana dal, quarter teaspoon methi seeds, 2 to 3 red chilies according to your spice requirement you can take it, and 2 tablespoon of raw rice, half teaspoon turmeric powder, salt, check and put it because the mango is already having salt. For tempering, mustard seeds and fenugreek seeds, curry leaves, and oil is required. The kadai is hot. Now we have to dry roast the rice, chana dal, fenugreek, and the red chili. A pickle also. The dried mango can be used for making pickle. You have to soak it in hot water, then drain the water, and masala and oil you can add into this and make pickle like that. Now this is also done. This is puffed up. I will remove this also onto the plate. Little bit of curry leaves also I will add to this. It's good for health. Curry leaves should be crisp. See, this is done. Now I'll keep the earthen pot and add little water onto it. Now I'll squeeze out the pulp of this and add to this water and bring to boil. In the meantime, after cooling this masala, we can grind to a fine powder. I have removed the pulp of this. Actually, you soak the tamarind separately because sometimes the pieces are there, mango pieces are there, so you can put it like that only. So here I did the soaking together, but you when you are preparing it, soak the tamarind separately and remove the pulp. If mango pieces are there, then it will be difficult for you to remove the tamarind pieces. These are the mango pieces. I am putting it into it. Now we will add the salt, turmeric powder, and little water. We'll bring this to boil, and in the meantime we will grind the powder. While tempering, mustard seeds, fenugreek seeds and hing powder is required. If you use sesame seed oil, that is better. Otherwise, whatever oil you are using at home, you can use that also. The tamarind pulp and the mango pulp is getting boiled. You have to boil this till the raw taste of the tamarind goes off, and the powder is also ready here. I'll add water into this and make a paste, and tur dal boiled is ready. We have to add little bit of jaggery in this to balance the taste. I've got jaggery powder. I'm using that, around 1 teaspoon. It's time to add the paste, the masala paste. I prefer it without adding the dal. Now let us bring this to a boil. See, the consistency is thick only. Now if you don't want to add dal, this is the way we make it normally. You add water to bring to the desired consistency, and it gets thickened when it's cooled down. So add water accordingly. In case if it gets thick, then you can add hot water while serving. That is also another option. Wow, it tastes really good. Little salt is required. It's a tangy, spicy, slightly sweet curry it is. It goes very well with rice. See the mango pieces you can see in this. Now let us bring this to a boil. It's time to add the dal also. See the consistency, it's quite thick. Now after bringing this to a boil, we can remove this from the gas and temper with the ingredients. Little more jaggery is required because the mango is too salt. So I'll add another teaspoon of jaggery in it. So the Adamanga Kootan is ready. This has come to a boil. Now we will remove this from the gas. Tadka. I am using sesame oil. The oil is hot. Manga Kootan is ready here. To serve it along with rice. This is the one without dal and this is with dal. I hope you enjoy this recipe. Thanks for watching the video. Subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. If you are watching the video for the first time, do subscribe and share with your friends and relatives. Eat healthy, stay healthy. See you soon with another interesting recipe. Till then, bye bye. I am giving the link in the description box which you can see.